with our Ghostbuster featured towards the center, wearing his proton pack and the iconic but darker uniform from the Ghostbusters 2 movie. And I'm getting a phone call, and that messes everything up. Hello? Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Playmo YT Playmobil toy review. Today we are taking a look at the Playmobil Ghostbusters 2 Playmogram 3D set number 9348, released in 2017, featuring Ray Stantz. We no longer have this box, so this image is going to do for now. As you can see, the cover has the Ghostbusters 2 logo on the side, with our Ghostbuster featured towards the center, wearing his proton pack and the iconic but darker uniform from the Ghostbusters 2 movie. Before him is a transparent pyramid-shaped cone that compiles 3 separate projections of a ghost via the Playmobil Playmogram app on your Apple or Android phone to form a 3D projection of it. The left side presents 3 bubbled images showing you how the 3D imaging works. And here we have our Ghostbuster, Ray Stantz, played by Dan Aykroyd in both of the original Ghostbusters films, Casper the Friendly Ghost, and the forthcoming Ghostbusters Afterlife movie starring Paul Rudd. He comes with a number of accessories. Then again, show me a Playmobil set that doesn't. Anyway, included is his proton pack, proton wand, proton beam, PKE meter, ghost trap pedal, a piece of cardboard, and hologram cone.
Hey, you forgot about the tethering.
Right, the tethering.
Oh yeah, you forgot about the test tubes.
Yes, and the test tubes.
And the goggles.
Yeah, about those goggles, we've misplaced them. We're going to use these instead from the Series 13 Steampunk figure.
Way to go.
Alright, wise guy. It's not a perfect fit, but these will fit for now.
The one that came with the set made more sense. And your hands smell like Doritos.
Okay, everyone, now let's go ahead and check out the app. As you can see, we've got the Playmogram 3D app right here installed on our phone. Gonna go ahead and click that. You get the Playmobil brand logo. Then it takes you to the home screen here. Has some really neat sound effects there. It gives you the option of choosing either the Ghostbusters theme or the Ice Princesses theme. And because they are basically 2 different themes that use the same technology, you can project both types of images into your holocone. So, because we're doing a Ghostbusters theme, we're going to go ahead and check the Ghostbusters, and then it gives you several ghosts to choose from. And just because Slimer is the most recognizable, we're going to go ahead and choose him first. We're only going to check out a few of them today. We might do some more of them at a later time. And then after you choose it, it gives you more instructions on how to properly project your image onto your holocone there. We got to brighten up the light on your phone, and then we need to darken the room, and then place the holocone onto the phone like so. This is the back, that's the front. So when we click next, it's going to give you an icon of the trap, and that's where you want to put this, because the image of the ghost is going to appear on both sides and in the front. So let's go ahead and get that so you guys have an idea what it looks like. And we're loading. Pretty fast load here, and that's it. Camera's going insane trying to focus on him. But anyway, this is Slimer coming out of the Ghostbusters app. And then when you press the ghost trap icon on the screen here, you actually suck him into the trap. Let's go ahead and do that now. Well, that's pretty neat. And then you have the option of going back, letting him out, and then choosing another ghost. And so we're gonna go just up the line here. Oh my. Let's get him out of the way. This one seems to have the hiccups. So let's go ahead and get him into the trap. It's cool. I like how they all kind of struggle to get out of the trap, and all have those final grunts and growls before they actually get sucked in. Alright, you're out of there. Now, alternatively, you're most likely going to be doing anything with this Ghostbuster set during the day. So Playmobil was considerate enough to think of a way to block out the light by giving you this little box that forms by folding it, and you're actually receiving 3/4 of a box. But it cleverly is designed to provide you entertainment with your three-dimensional ghosts during the daytime hours. And this is the one box I haven't really used. I used the other one, but anyway, so I apologize for that, but this is basically what it looks like. And when you take your hollow cone, this goes right on top of it. Now everything is going to be on top of your phone, and you're going to be looking at it head on like this rather than an angle, and you'll be able to see your ghosts projected in the dark, which is fantastic. So way to go, Playmobil. Kudos to you for considering your consumers there. That's fantastic. And there you have it. This is the Playmobil Playmogram 3D Ghostbusters playset with Ray Stantz. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun to put together, a lot of hard work, but I think we did the job. Real quick, I wanted to give a shout out to my dearest friend, Amy, who I've known since high school. She found the Ecto-1 here at a Goodwill, and she picked it up for a few dollars, knew that I was heavily into Playmobil, and asked if I wanted to have it, and I was just like, heck yeah. So she was gracious enough to give it to me. And so when it was delivered, it did not have a roof, it did not have a tailgate. I have since ordered these pieces from the Playmobil website, Playmobil USA, and got these within a week's time. So I was not even planning on keeping it at Ghostbusters Ecto-1. I was going to paint it and make, just a new car. Non-Ghostbusters themed. And, I took out the pit figures and I thought, yeah, this is kind of cool. So I was like, it's the Ghostbusters. We got to keep it. So now I have to work on ordering the parts for the rest of the Ecto-1 to restore it to its screen-accurate appearance. Final thoughts? This is more of a collector's item than it is a toy. I don't see it having a very high replay value. Just during the couple days that I've had this out to create this review, it's been very aggravating keeping up with all of the pieces, especially the cardboard box, because it's obviously getting beat up and thrown around and torn up a little bit, creased, etc., etc. It's just not practical to have something like this laying around, even though it's one of the best ways to have your 3D projection seen, especially during the daylight hours. But I don't see kids getting into this very often, especially if they want to have their Ghostbusters figures in plain sight with an image that can only be seen or best seen at night. So yeah, I'd give it a C+ overall. Aside from the figure itself, I just don't see it having a very high replay value. And that concludes our video review of the Ghostbusters Playmogram 3D playset featuring Ray Stantz. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment below. Who here has a Ghostbusters set or two, or three even? Which one's your favorite? Leave a comment. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.